Hello guys. In this video, I will show you how to transfer crypto from Binance to Crypto.com exchange. First, let's open the Crypto.com app. Go to Accounts. Here choose Crypto. Here tap on Transfer button. Now choose Deposit. Here choose which crypto you want to transfer from Binance. I will go with Ethereum. Here you need to choose the network. I will go with Arbitrum. And now copy your deposit address. Now let's go to the Binance app. Go to Assets section in the bottom right corner. Here go to Spot section. Choose which token you want to transfer. I will go with Ethereum because I've already chosen it previously. And here tap on Send. Choose On-Chain Withdraw. First, let's paste address we have copied before. Next, choose the network. I will go with Arbitrum as this is the network I've chosen previously. Put the amount and tap on Withdraw button. Here, tap on Confirm. On this page, you need to pass security verification. After completing it, wait for a few minutes and crypto will be transferred. By the way, if you want to trade on Hyperliquid with discount on fees, check link in the description. So, that's the end of this video. Now, if you have found the content helpful, don't forget to give a like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.